Disputing every negative account can waste your time and can also backfire when the information is accurate. Before sending another letter, here's the credit strategy that you need to understand. Hello everyone, and my name is Calvin Russell. I'm a nationwide credit strategist, and I help people increase their credit scores, lower their car payments, and qualify for homeownership. Today we're going to be talking about the credit strategy that may work better than simply doing what everybody else is doing, which is disputing everything on their credit reports. The first step is to understand when a dispute actually makes sense. The goal of a dispute is to correct information on your credit report that's inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, or cannot be verified. Now, a dispute is not automatically the best solution just because an account is negative. If the creditor verifies that information is accurate and they respond to the bureaus, that account can stay on your credit report. That doesn't mean that things can't get removed over time, but repeatedly disputing with the same accurate account with the same information, it may not move you any closer to your goal. That's exactly why we created our free credit guide called What's Really Holding Your Credit Score Back. This is going to help you understand what may be hurting your credit profile before you start making your next move. Scan the QR code right here on the screen or click the link in the description below to download it today. Now, the second step is to start building positive credit around your negative items. Now, you may not be able to remove every negative account immediately with the dispute process or pay for delete, but you can start strengthening the rest of your credit profile. You can do this by keeping every account current and avoiding new late payments. You can also lower your credit card balances so the reported utilization looks like it's under control to lenders. Then you can start adding positive accounts, but only when they feel like it's an actual need to your credit profile. For example, let's say that someone has an old collection that remains on their credit report after being disputed multiple times. Instead of spending the next year sending the same dispute letters, they begin lowering their credit card balances over time. They then keep all of their active accounts paid on time and avoid unnecessary applications. The collection still matters, but the rest of their credit profile is becoming stronger. Now, the third step is to consider negotiating with a settlement. A lot of people sleep on this. When an account is accurate, but you still owe the money, resolving the balance may be more productive than repeatedly disputing it. Ask the creditor or the collection agency whether they will accept less than the full balance. Especially if you're considering paying this anyway, you may as well save money. Now, get the settlement terms in writing before you make any type of payment. Understand how the account is going to be reported after the settlement is complete. This is where having the right game plan is going to matter for you. You need to know which accounts should be disputed, which accounts may need to be settled, and which parts of your credit profile need to be strengthened. And if you want to learn more about our 850 Club membership, we can create a customized game plan for you. We can also send unlimited disputes for you every single month. Text the word credit to 708-346-5613 today. Now, the fourth step is to do what we call a request for pay for delete agreement. And this is when it's appropriate to do so. A pay for delete is when a collection agency removes their collection account from your credit reports in exchange for payment. Sometimes they'll do a settlement as well too. Now, not every company is going to offer a pay for delete, and a company is not required to accept your request. It's more of a nice gesture. Negotiate the amount and the deletion terms before you send any money. Then request the agreement in writing, either email or fax or letter in the mail, and confirm which credit bureaus are going to receive the deletion request. So for example, let's say you have a $1,000 collection and it's 100% yours, but the collection agency agrees to accept a $600 payment for settlement. It also agrees in writing to request deletion from the credit bureaus after receiving your payment. You keep the agreement, make the payment as instructed, and then monitor all 3 credit reports after. The best credit strategy is not about choosing disputes, settlements, pay for delete, or just building credit blindly. Review each negative account individually before you decide what to do, instead of doing the same thing for everything. Build positive credit while working to resolve the negative side of your credit report. That's how you do two things at once. Then you want to follow a customized plan based on your credit goals, your finances, and a timeline. If you haven't done so already, be sure to download our free credit guide. You can scan the QR code right here on your screen, or you can click the link in the description below. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about how the 850 Club membership can help you increase your credit score and get you closer to your credit goals, all you need to do is text the word credit to 708-346-5613 today. And we'll see you on the next video.